Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 7.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.03%. This results in an average return of 1.15% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, with indications suggesting further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 11.71% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.262% to 16.52%. In a longer-term view, our analysis for the next 12 months shows a projected change of 71.24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 20.82% to 153.09% over the upcoming year. This would suggest a future price falling between $525.07 and $1,099.88. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline: MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price up 3.04% on Friday. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 3.04% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, rising from $421.74 to $434.58. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 3.54% with a day low of $423.70 and a day high of $438.70. The price has increased on 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 12.46% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical signal, with a total of 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 18 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $543 and the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price is 19.97% or $108.42 below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for this stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the ticker MSTR, is currently facing a significant legal challenge. A securities class action lawsuit has been filed against the company, targeting investors who acquired their securities between April 30th, 2024 and April 4th, 2025, with a deadline for affected investors to participate in the lawsuit approaching on July 15th, 2025. This impending legal issue raises concerns about potential liabilities and the impact on investor sentiment, which could lead to considerable volatility in the short term. However, there's a contrasting dynamic at play. Bitcoin has recently surged to nearly $119,000, contributing to a significant rise in MicroStrategy's stock price. As a major holder of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy's financials are closely tied to the cryptocurrency's performance. The company reported a 4.6% rise in stock value following key trading signals, reflecting bullish sentiment among traders. Should Bitcoin continue its upward momentum, it could bolster MicroStrategy's market valuation, providing a counterpoint to the legal and financial pressures. In the long term, while the lawsuit may pose a risk to MSTR's reputation and operational stability, the ongoing growth and adoption of Bitcoin present a compelling case for potential recovery and growth in stock value. Investors will be closely monitoring these developments, as the interplay between legal challenges and Bitcoin's performance will significantly shape MSTR's trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported a hold rating for MSTR, also opting for a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, Barclays issued a hold rating for MSTR, maintaining a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS assigned a buy rating to MSTR along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG provided a buy rating for MSTR while also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Today, the chart reveals predominantly positive signals. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock currently presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at $410.16 and $386. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 19.31%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $414.38. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction may occur when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk level is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $15, representing a change of 3.54%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.24%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels from MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. In related news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 12 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $414.38. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of July 2025, Brigger Peter L.J.R. conducted an insider purchase of 3,554 shares of director stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the same day, Brigger Peter L.J.R. also conducted an insider purchase of 2,678 shares of restricted stock units. Additionally, on that date, Brigger Peter L.J.R. conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 18th day of June 2025, Lafong conducted an insider sale of 8,400 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th day of June 2025, Patton Jared M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A Perpetual Stride preferred stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 7.534. In total, insiders purchased 113,826 shares and sold 132,743 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $418.94, reflecting a decline of 3.6%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is currently a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of July, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $2.25 and start trading at $432.33. Please remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.